Hello guys, this is Mauro from Infotech.com, and on this video we're going to look at the new features and changes included on Windows 10 build 18282. This is a new test preview for Windows 10 version 1903, expected to release sometime in 2019. So now let's have a closer look at the most important changes in this release. Perhaps the most important addition on build 18282 is the new light theme that also brings lighter colors to the Start menu, Action Center, taskbar, flyouts, and other elements, adding a true system light theme. After upgrading to version 1903, you can switch to the new theme from the colors page in the personalization section. You will now see that this page has been updated, so now includes a new drop-down menu that allows you to switch to the new light theme, as you can see right here. And once you apply the new theme, you will see the new colors throughout the operating system on Start menu, on the taskbar, Action Center, and on flyouts. You also notice that switching to the light theme also changes the icons that now uses a darker color, but this is still a work in progress. As you can see, there are icons that are still hard to see and they don't align with the new design. Back in the settings, I believe that when this update releases, the default option is going to be the custom, which allows you to use the legacy light theme, which will that be a combination of the dark mode for Windows and the light mode for apps. But you can also use, for example, light colors for Windows and a dark color for apps. If you don't like this theme, you can always switch to the dark mode if that's something that you prefer. Build 18282 is also adding a few touches for Fluent design. Whether you're using the light or dark theme, the Start menu context menu now uses transparency in the background, and hovering over items. Now there is the reveal highlight effect, but for some reason at this moment, I don't know if that's because I changed settings, I'm not seeing the reveal highlight on my installation. Also, I don't know if you can really tell, but starting with build 18282, Action Center now includes a new shadow in the border that aligns with the side with other elements that use the same shadow. On Windows 10 build 18282, on the settings tab, you will now find that we now have a new theme called Windows Light, which introduces a new version of the default wallpaper for Windows 10 and enables the new light theme for version 1903. We have already looked into the colors page, so we're going to skip it and continue with ease of access, where in the narrator page, under the change how much content to hear, you're going to find a new option. This one right here, which is disabled by default to reduce the amount of content that you hear when navigating Windows, including from tooltips. If you must hear content from tooltips, you can always use the narrator +0 command to read a specific tooltip. On Windows 10 build 18282, there are some additional narrator improvements. If you're interested, make sure to click the link in the video description for more details. Windows 10 build 18282 is also updating the Windows Update page, and as you can see right here, the options available, they're no longer represented by links. Instead, now we have buttons with icons and line of description, and the page now includes the option to pause updates, and you can now specify the days that you want to pause cumulative updates for Windows 10. In addition, build 18282 introduces changes for active hours to prevent your device from rebooting when you're actively using it to install updates. For example, now you can turn on this option to let Windows 10 set your active hours automatically based on your device activity. If you enable this option, you will now be able to further customize the experience. However, if you turn this off, and if you need to change the active hours manually, just click the change link to set your active hours. Also in this preview, you're going to find that the start menu is getting an update. So now if you hover over the left side, the menu expands automatically instead of you having to click the hamburger button at the top left corner. Also, starting with build 18282, Windows 10 is updating the printing experience to support the light theme. And you will notice that options now include icons, and drop-down menus now show the name of the option and a line of description. Also, the name of the printer will now use a wrap instead of cutting it off if the name is too long. Finally, if you're using the new snipping tools for Windows 10, you will now see an option to take a screenshot of a window. And that's pretty much all that's new with Windows 10 build 18282. If you want to learn more about this build, click the link in the video description for more information. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.